Once you've completed a matter, you'll then be able to archive it so that it can no longer be worked on. The archive option is available on your main matter screen. You'll now be taken to the Archive Matter screen. Please note that you'll be unable to archive any matters which have non-zero ledger balances. This warning will appear if there are non-zero balances present. If there is any WIP to be written off, a warning will display at the top of the screen. Upon completing the archive process, this WIP will be written off. The rest of the screen will display further relevant information for you to review prior to archiving. You may also specify an archive location and reference. Please note that these will need to be set up by a system supervisor. You may now click Save. If you've archived a matter in error, you may restore it to a live state by selecting the Restore button. Clicking OK will complete the process. This file has now been restored. Thank you for watching. For regular tips and tricks videos and live Q&A sessions, please follow us on Twitter @Osprey Support.